Hey everyone, we're back again with a holiday cleaning checklist. My name is Bethany. If you don't know me, I am the lead cleaner and co-owner of Legacy Clean. Today we're going to discuss our kitchen, how to get it ready for guests, friends, and loved ones, or if you're trying to spruce up your house for the end of the year into the new year. So here is the list. I'll get out of the way so you can screenshot it for later. And first on our list is to wash and all the dishes and empty your dishwasher to get it ready for any silverware and plates that you're going to be putting into it. You just kind of want to declutter and make sure you have everything ready to go when you cook, and then have your dishwasher empty for when you have dirty dishes. Next, you're going to wipe down all your upper cabinets and the fixtures, which are the handles if you have them. Wipe down your hood if you have one as well, and clean the inside of the microwave. Make sure to clean your backsplash. Usually this is after you're done cooking, but sometimes if it's extra greasy, you just want to hit it with a little degreaser, some Dawn beforehand, so it's easier to clean up at the end. You want to clean the range, which is the top of your oven where all the burners are. If you have electric, gas, or glass, just use the appropriate cleaner to clean that off. Sometimes you save that for after as well, after you're done cooking, but always depends on how dirty the mess is. So next you want to go to polish all the countertops and an island if you have one. Use the appropriate cleaner for whatever stone or surface that you have. Usually an all-purpose cleaner works well. Sometimes if you have a natural stone, you want to use the correct cleaner for that as well. So make sure that your surfaces are clean because that's usually a gathering spot for everybody. Is the kitchen, so you want to get everything decluttered and polished and looking nice. Then you're going to degrease and clean the inside of your oven. Sometimes I save this as well for the inside of the oven. I save it till after just to get all the mess out at one time because it is kind of a chore to clean the inside of your oven. But you definitely want to do the front of the oven of the glass where some might spill, or you might have some like grease stains or something like that. Definitely get the front where the glass is, and then choose if you want to do the inside for a later date. Then we can dust and clean all the lower cabinets. So we go top to bottom when we clean. So we're going to do the upper cabinets and then the lower cabinets. Same thing, you want to polish all the fixtures and make sure everything's wiped down. There aren't any fingerprints or grease spots on that. Then polish all the appliances, which is the refrigerator front, dishwasher, wine chiller if you have one, if you have a garbage compactor, anything like that. You want to do the front, also the microwave as well. And then we want to clean and sanitize the inside of the sink. Again, after you're done cooking usually, but kind of just use your own judgment on to what works best for you. And then last but not least, you want to vacuum everything up, kind of get the corners where the kickboards are. You want to get those tight corners and vacuum any crumbs, shake out any mats that you might have, or wipe down any mats, and then mop the floors as well. These are my tips for a nice clean kitchen. If you have any other suggestions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. And as always, wishing you a happy and safe holiday season.